This is KPTCL repair bay. This is the filter machine used for drying of transformer. These are the vacuum pumps of the filter machine. This is the 10 MVA MCO make transformer 110 bar 33-11. This is the connection we have made to the low frequency equipment. The delta connection is opened and connected in parallel and bought out. Nameplate of the transformer. This is the low frequency power supply unit. You can see the temperature now is 59.8 degrees. Presently we have set at 60 degree and it is off. This is a prototype unit. The connections. These are the input and output connections. This is the stabilizing resistor for stabilizing the current and controlling the current, as it is a highly inductive load current. You can see the LV is shorted. And the delta connection there, it is already made parallel and connected. Off now, pause mode, sir. Pause mode, pause. This is the log what we have maintained. This is the log what we have maintained, and you can see this is the current which has been feeding, and this is the what number of cycles, and this is the temperature. It goes on increasing, and this is the ambient temperature. This is the vacuum pressure. This is the day, that's 9:10 we have started. This is the 10:10 and 11:10 log it is. You can see we have set at 60 degrees, therefore it has opened and again started. The temperature is increasing from 43 again, 69, 58 and so on. And today's log is here. Sheet.